I gave you this long trade there. Unfortunately, we hit all the targets up there before it sell off. You can see there's a lot of buying in the yen suddenly happening. The yen is really bearish here. So until my indicators change its mind, one bar doesn't change the direction of the market. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 27 September 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound, and short on the yen, the US and the Swiss franc. Dollar index still under pressure. You can see here after this nice bull candle, we saw some sell-off yesterday and suddenly now also selling off. I think it's against a strong yen that just happened in the market. Most likely the Bank of Japan interfering again in the yen. We see a sudden big spike. I had a bunch of yens up on my list today. I removed them all just before I started the video. But the dollar index definitely still looking bearish. On my intraday, everything tells me to be short on the US dollar. Then looking at gold, well, obviously with a weaker dollar, you can see the dollar was just up there now and dropping down, so it's still weakening. But yeah, at this stage we have to stay gold bullish on the breakout trade. Let's see what happens. Moving the stop loss from down there up to that low there. That's the best we can do at this stage, nothing else. And let's see what happens with that. On the cryptocurrency side, a lot of buying coming in on cryptos across the board. Bitcoin, strong candle yesterday, still buying up today. If you look at the rest of the crypto markets over the last week or two, I was talking about all these patterns. On Dogecoin here, you can see here we had the break, the test, a nice run up the page. Polkadot also the break, the rest nice run up the page. Ethereum did the same. XRP is the only one that really battles at this stage. Solana, we had the break running up the page. Bitcoin Cash also the channel. I wasn't as keen on this one, it's not running that fast. XLM also bouncing strongly after the break. Chainlink break, retest, bouncing off. Uniswap busy breaking a flat top triangle, so also trying to go up the page. And Cardano also, I said yesterday or 2 days ago, this break and then the ultimate break is that one. So working out very, very well. So cryptocurrency is really catching a bit today. Let's hope it keeps flying up the page. There was a ton of short-term trades that you could have entered into. We then look at the euro yen. I gave you this long trade there. Unfortunately, we hit all the targets up there before it sell off. You can see there's a lot of buying in the yen suddenly happening. The yen is really bearish here. So until my indicators change its mind, one bar doesn't change the direction of the market. But I get the feeling it all smells like Bank of Japan influence here or intervention. I might be wrong. I'm not a fundamental analyst. I don't watch the news that much. I don't see any news that's got to do with the yen this morning. So most likely it's them. It's a sudden 300-point drop on, well, gain on the yen. So this should go up if this persists. But for now, I'll stay short yen. But all the stuff I wanted to trade at 61% FIP levels just disappeared this morning, so I've removed them all from my charts. So most likely I will see what the net result is this on Monday, and then I will make my decision there. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. At the S&P 500, testing the level, no real reversals there. We got a weak dollar stock market bullish, so I am looking for longs. We are retesting very well this flat top triangle, but for that I'm going to need quite a strong candle to get me to go long there. Nasdaq, the same scenario, not testing that well yet, but also a flat top break, the retest on a weak dollar stock market bullish. So let's see when it tests this today, strong counter reversal, I'll then consider some longs definitely. And then the euro Aussie, that's the only one that is left for me for today that I can do here because of the sudden yen interference. It stuffs everything that I wanted to do. So you can see I've got them all here. CAD yen, I wanted to look for longs, but it's all breaking. New Zealand yen, I wanted to look for longs at those levels. The pound yen, I wanted to look for levels, but they're just cutting right through and moving way beyond the levels I was interested in. So I've stepped aside on that. So the euro Aussie, euro neutral Aussie green zone, I want to be long Aussie, but I'm still going to need a retracement back to that structure there. Once I get that test of that structure, then I'll consider some shorts. So a very short video this morning due to the sudden yen move. So guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.